I'm Bernadette.
I'm Hannah.
So this is our additions video for August. This is everything that came into our lives, cosmetic-wise, in August of 2021. Firstly, Hannah was almost out of this Thayers, and then she asked me to get some. I was like, oh yeah, I could use one for Patrick's house because I only have, you know, half a bottle. And then I thought I ordered it, a 3-pack, and then the 3-pack never came, and I was like, where the heck is this 3-pack? And it never came, and I looked and I had never ordered a 3-pack. And so then I ordered a 2-pack. In our last month's No Buy Year monthly update, we told you about us buying the Wet n Wild SpongeBob collection.
Yeah!
It's so freaking cute!
It's SpongeBob's house.
And you put your beauty blender in there.
It's absolute shit, but I love it.
Yeah, it doesn't do its job.
It doesn't do it. It has one job, it does not do it very well.
It doesn't stay together.
It doesn't, yeah, it's about as stable as my own mental health.
It's not good for traveling.
Squidward. It's good. I don't know if you can see it, but there's this face.
And there's mine, and it's SpongeBob SquarePants Beauty Blender Makeup Sponge SquarePants. And I love you.
We washed them all. Wet n Wild was like the only brand that like had something excrete from the beauty blenders, which was weird because I pre-washed all of them. Yeah. The water changed color. It was weird. Got the SpongeBob highlighter. We don't remember who gets it.
I think we're gonna share it.
Yeah, we're probably gonna share it.
Did I get this SpongeBob brush and it's got SpongeBob on it and he's so happy.
We had a filthy casualty that exploded because Wet n Wild packages their things about as well as Trisha Paytas' skincare brand, which is they don't.
Yeah, there was no bubble wrap or anything on there.
Best Friends Forever Hydrating Priming Primer Mist. Hydrating and prime.
It exploded all over
Brightening.
everything. We had to clean it off of everything, and then I asked for a refund. I sent pictures.
Purifying Setting Mist. That's fun. As Plankton. I love Plankton. He's derpy like me.
And then we have Gary makeup brush cleaners, and they got Gary on it, and Gary's my favorite. And it smells good. And
There's no Gary on the soap though.
No, it's just a plain soap. It's just a Gary package. You use that up and you can get the beauty blender rounds and stick in there.
Yeah.
And still use Gary for traveling.
And then we got these Wet n Wild cushion blenders.
And I like mine.
I like mine too.
I got this instead of Armani.
Yeah, I like this more than Armani.
I like my Armani better, but they don't make it anymore. I'm waiting for Jeffree Star one to be in stock. But this is a good under eye corrector. It's not bad for the price. Yeah, so then I had to order this one thing from ColourPop. How much is this? $8? Okay, I had to order this one like $8 thing from ColourPop, this Lippie Stick lip primer. This is the little box it comes in, and this you take it out and you put this on, and then you put your lipstick on, and it helps keep your lipstick on better. And then I wanted free shipping. And then, so in order to get me free shipping, Hannah had to get a bunch of stuff.
No, we split a brush set, the Cold Fox brush set. So these are hers.
But I gave them back to you because I didn't want to split up the set.
I don't remember this. Did I give you brushes for that?
No, you gave me these, and then I felt bad about splitting up the set and told you could have them, and then you told me no, and then finally you said okay.
When did I say okay?
After you said okay, and you looked for brushes, and then you said you didn't have any brushes, and then that you were going to trade me for them, and then I said I didn't care.
Oh, well, I wish I knew that sooner.
If you want them, you can have them, because I don't like splitting up your set, but if you find you don't use them, then you can give them to me.
Okay, we'll see how it goes.
Okay, that's fine.
Sweet! We got the entire Bambi collection. It's so cute because it was on super sale. Ah! They're cute. They're good for traveling. I've already used them. That's just the packaging. I'm keeping it forever. I have a problem. Nope.
What are those eyeshadows?
They're eyeshadows in there. Whoa!
You have to open them.
You can open
There's
them.
Thumper. That's the Thumper eyeshadow. Flower eyeshadow with the little skunk. And this is the Bambi eyeshadow, the little Bambi.
We got eyeliners in 3 colors. Yeah. We got eyelashes. They're cute. I'm excited to wear them. I'm going to use them a whole bunch of times. And then we got these lovely lip glosses. that I really like the packaging for, and I liked how they swatched. The highlighter with the big poof. You know who likes big poofs?
I like big poofs.
So, we're pretty good for the big poofs. It might go missing and I wouldn't be mad. And then we got a beauty blender, the Hourglass Beauty Blender. It did not secrete weird things when I pre-washed it.
I have a chronic ulnar nerve pain, and wearing a purse is extremely painful, and wearing a backpack is extremely painful. So Hannah and I a few months ago talked about eventually getting fanny packs for me. I was looking at fanny packs all over the internet, and I finally thought, okay, I'll get Jeffree Star's fanny packs. But then you have to like top up your order to get free shipping to Canada. Even though that's one of the things that's against my no buy year, I did it anyway. So I have some red ticket items on my update. I got a black fanny pack from Jeffree Star. That way it's not going to affect my ulnar nerve when we're traveling to Texas this month. I'm really into pastels, so I got a baby blue one too.
Well, now she's into pastels.
Right now I'm into pastels because somebody keeps telling me how good I look in pastels.
3 people keep screaming it at her.
And then this was free. Jeffree Star concealer, so I got that for myself. And then Hannah wanted this.
I love it.
So these things were for me, and then I was like, hey Hannah, I need to get some more things for free shipping. So
I like how it feels.
she got this mirror.
It got the Pink Religion palette. It's amazing. I love it. It's amazing. Yeah.
And then we still needed to spend more money to get the free shipping. So then we decided to get a Jeffree Star mystery box. It came, and I told Hannah, wait until I was finished working, and then we can film us opening it. And she was like, fuck that! And she came into my room with an X-Acto knife and starts ripping shit open.
No, you offered politely, and I accepted politely. Like, well, do you want to wait? Well, no, I don't.
No, I don't think I remember saying that. I think I remember saying you need to wait.
No, I didn't hear a need, or I would have listened.
But we'll act surprised.
It's a Jeffree Star Z palette with one shade that I don't remember the name of, but I already filled it because it's such a surprise.
There was some other shades. There was 2 more shades that she already had. Yeah, I got them.
And then we got the Bullet Lip Balm, which I love, in the shade Cowboy Kiss, and I got my boyfriend to try it, and this is what he did to it, because he didn't put it all the way down, and he put the lid back on. Like a man. The gloss. I haven't tried it yet. I don't like the... What is this, Jeffree?
I like my thing. Yes, because it's like Sailor Moon.
Yeah.
What does she say? I don't even know.
It's okay.
Okay.
It was after your time.
Since Hannah already has 2 lip scrubs and I only have 1 lip scrub, I got this Velour lip scrub Rainbow Sherbet. Velour lip scrub. Since Hannah knew I wanted it so bad, she told me I could have it and there was no fighting or anything. I got the Star Ranch little mini palette. And it's got those eyeshadows in it. Yeah. And it's kind of mom-like.
It's colors she likes. I have those colors elsewhere.
Yeah. I have a color kind of like this one, but not like any of the others.
Yeah.
Although this one is a bit like the root beer. But I'm happy. Thank you.
I made jars for my beauty blenders. Wet n Wild.
Or AliExpress.
Yeah,
Okay.
same difference.
Oh, okay.
Different owners. But yeah, I made jars.
I wanted to get a lash primer for Patrick's house because I only have 1 now and it's opened and I have no backup. And so I went to Shoppers Drug Mart and I was going to get the Essence lash primer. In that Essence display, none of the mascara products have any kind of package or any kind of safety tape or anything on there so that you know it hasn't been opened. So I wasn't comfortable buying it because I don't know how many times it had been opened or who touched it or whatever, right? So I got this Rimmel Ultimate Boost Volume Primer. I haven't tried it yet, but we'll see. But I bought that. I think it was like $7.99 or something Canadian.
Mom gave me a bunch of her primers and I can only find 1 of them right now. There's 3. Oh no, I used 1. There's 1 more somewhere else.
I went to the dentist and I got all the little things that the dentist gives you. And it's exciting during your Nova year when that happens. Look at these.
My partner's mom gave me, I hope she doesn't see this, I'm pretty sure it was a re-gift. It was a taped up Sephora gift box of samplage, and I love it. It's okay that it's a re-gift, but it's like, it's nice to know instead of getting a mystery tape-up box, because mystery tape-up box is weird. We got CAUDALIE. It's called the eye cream. I liked it.
I love that.
KIEHL'S Midnight Recovery Concentrate. I haven't used it yet.
It's amazing.
BIOSSANCE, SQUALANE, and vitamin C rose oil brightens, firms, and even skin tone and texture. I haven't used it yet, but it looks pretty cute. IT Cosmetics Secret Sauce. Love it. Haven't used this yet. The Rose Deep Hydration Face Cream with time release hydro patches, moisturizes and nourishes. It's from Fresh. LANEIGE Sleeping Care Lip Sleeping Mask. I like it.
What flavor is that one?
Delicious. I think it's strawberry. Pharmacy's Honeymoon Glow. Haven't tried it yet. Oh, it's an AHA Resurfacing Night Serum. Neat! And then we have Glow Recipe Blueberry Bounce Gentle Cleanser. Haven't used it yet. It looks pretty, so I think I'll like it because the packaging's pretty. I'm a simple creature. I paid for nothing. Since I didn't pay for it, I didn't break my no-buy.
I broke mine. You'll see that in our no-buy update.
Auf Wiedersehen.
Cheers.
How dare you not already be subscribed to this channel, because I am Zuko, the most dramatic subscription noodle. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I have no self-esteem.